From the creators of Despicable Me.
Wow.
Okay.
Who are you and what are you doing here? Get out of here and leave me alone!
People say that if someone brings you this stuff, then you'll tell them about trees.
You want to know about trees? About what happened to them? It all started a long time ago.
Can we start not so long ago, maybe?
It all started a long time ago.
Wow.
All right, here we go. About to change the world. Little did I know I had just summoned a mystical creature as old as time itself. The legendary, slightly annoying, Lorax.
Hey! Did you chop down this tree?
What's that?
I think he did it.
The Lorax.
I want to hear the end of the story.
Come back tomorrow, and don't let the boot hit you on the way out.
The boot? Oh!